This formula is for people who are into mathematics. So basically, in a lot of cases, you have to use the pi number to calculate things like area and so on. So for example, here I have area of a circle, which is equal to pi times r square. Now, if you write pi manually 3.14, you'll get 78.5. But there is a better way to do it in Excel with using the formula pi. So you write equal pi, open brackets, close brackets. Don't forget the brackets, and then enter. And then if I copy paste the same thing, so the radius, and I put 5, and then it will calculate for me my area. So if you just see, there I got 78.5, here I will get 78.53, just because pi is at a level of precision that is much better than this one. It's like 14 digits, 14 decimals.